Hey everybody, hope you're having a good week so far. I am here for our third to last lesson, I think. We got this and a couple more, and then our recital of sorts. I've heard from like one person, maybe two out of all my classes about any preference about the schedule for having it between those dates that I gave you. So pretty soon we're probably just going to end up picking time slots. I know that one person said Tuesday was not good, so in this class, so we'll keep that in mind. But otherwise, we're just about to just go ahead and pick a time, and I'm hoping that y'all can come. So we'll just see how it goes. But I hope you're making some progress with the material that I've been sending you. Over the Waterfall, I believe, was the last new tune that we got into. I was looking through my book and saw a couple ideas of some other songs that I could throw out there for y'all. So I would like to maybe give y'all one more to work on once we're done, and then you'll have these videos that you can look at whenever you want and keep working on this stuff as long as you want until you get it perfect. I know that I had mentioned something about the possibility of lessons too, which you know, depending on if anybody asks or anything, I might be able to do it over the summer. I know there will be people that can. I get kind of busy with work during the summer, so we'll see. You know, if somebody really wanted to, we'd probably figure it out. But anyway, so hope you've been working on your chords. What chords do you remember? D, G, one finger A. Hopefully y'all are committed to the two finger A chord now. And then there's the F and C. Thinking about what applies to us. I was thinking that I might spend a little bit of time, since we've already got all these songs going on, maybe spend a little time talking about chords, because you know, you kind of getting to the point where these one or two finger chords, hopefully by now, you might need something a little more substantial. I know I've got some stuff that we can so I wrote out, I know I did like a chop chord sheet. I'll have to dig through there and find it. But, you know, maybe not full stretched out chop chords like I was showing you that are stretched out like over 6 frets, 7 frets. But, you know, maybe just another step towards having a little bit more complex chords, because it's so important to the mandolin. So let's start with G. So, you know, there's the G chord like that, and then if you keep your fingers there and you take your third finger and put it on the 5th fret of the 2nd strings, that kind of works. The full chop chord would be the pinky all the way down on the 7th fret of the 4th strings, but you can also, since this is in G and the bottom strings are in an open G, that will make a really nice more complex G chord doing those three. To the same respect, you know how you move down to get your C, you can do the same thing and make a nice sounding C chord with that same shape. And then in that case, you know, your third finger would be on the 5th fret of the last strings, the 4th strings. So start trying to do that. I mean, I think you can, just from watching this video, hopefully it'd be good enough for you to not, you know, have to have it written down. Or, you know, if you want to, on your sheet, you know how I made some kind of bubbled in the dots a little bit, or filled in the bubble there where it was, you could make another little mark for yourself to remember where that third finger goes. Just remember, it's for G, it's the 5th fret 3rd string, then move down to C like you always did, and then the same spot just down a step, just like you move down the other finger. So there's one example. Another good one is you got this 2-finger A. Well, try to think about this. Try to push down both of those with one finger, and you can actually push all the strings down if it helps, because it's not going to matter, because your other fingers are going to go here. So it's like that G slid up 2 steps up the frets towards the sound hole. So, but then you're going to have to use, instead of using your first and second finger, you use your third and fourth finger. And then you got a whole nother kind of way to play A chord. And you slide it up 2 frets, you're playing B. B flat, A. So that's another really important one. Now, if you move these 2 fingers down, and you can still keep them all pushed down, then you're playing another way to play the D chord. So for now, think about trying to do that. So, you know, you got a new way to do G, C, D, and A. You got that shape. If you can, you got your this E like you were doing before. This would be a lot better. E, so you just take that shape. You know, this is pushing all the seconds down. Pinky, 2nd string, 5th fret. 3rd finger, 3rd string, 4th fret, and then slide the whole thing up to there, and you've got an E chord. It's worth mentioning that you kind of, there's so many different ways to play chords, but instead of using your 3rd and 4th finger here, if you can stretch and use your 2nd and 3rd finger in those spots on the 3rd and 4th fret there, and then use your 1st finger, 1st string, 2nd fret, you've got it. You don't really want to play your last string doing it that way. Then you've got another way to play D, and then the full chop chord would be your pinky on the 7th fret of the last 4th strings. So that's a real way to do the mandolin chop chords, or full chops. So, oh yeah, let me throw one more monkey wrench in. The F chord. This is a really pretty nice chord to know. 1st finger, 1st string, 1st fret. 2nd finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret. Starting to have an F, and then if you can stretch and get your 3rd finger, 5th string, 5th fret, or 4th string, 5th fret. It's a very nice F chord, even though you're not using that a lot yet, but hopefully will be. I don't know, what else would be important about this? Just remember that these are kind of like bar chords. So that goes, you know, C, C sharp, D, C sharp, E. No, well, no C, no D, D sharp, E. Anyway, they're bar chords are kind of like, just like they are on the guitar. You can just move them around and play different chords with the same shape. So it's a very handy thing for mandolin and guitar, and you're not often going to see a mandolin player ever using a capo, because you get beat up if you have a capo, a mandolin capo, or laughed at least. So, you know, it's just such a small instrument, it's kind of ridiculous to have a capo on an instrument like that. With guitar, it's very accepted because people capo and can easily play in different keys. It's a little bit harder on the guitar to play in different keys. But I think that gives you plenty to think about. Remember, if you've got a certain time you're not going to be able to make it, let me know as soon as possible. And to the recital. And we got a couple more lessons, so if anybody needs anything, let me know. And hope y'all take care. Talk to you soon.